Welcome to Gates Carbon Drive Moto X9 belt installation video. Today we will learn how to install primary and secondary drive belt on electric scooters. For this we will need Gates branded Moto X9 belt. This is how the packaging of the belt looks like, and please ensure when we are purchasing this from distributor you call for Gates branded belt only. On this box we can see handling instructions which are provided for this belt, and I would request everyone to follow the same instructions while handling the belt. This is the Gates branded Moto X9 belt, which is available in market and can be used for the installation on the scooter. Similarly, we have a primary drive belt available that can be used for the installation purpose. Moving ahead, for the installation of the belt on scooter, we need certain tools. Before installation, it is important that we have the easy access to the belt drive. For in such scooters, we have covers, body covers, and a belt cover available on the vehicle, which need to be removed with the help of the proper tools. Once we remove these guards, we will have the easy access to remove the belt and install new belt. Once we have the belt and proper tools available for installation of the belt, we will next move towards the next step, that is having a proper access to primary and secondary drive. To ensure installation of the belt, we need to first take care of certain safety factors, which is installing the vehicle on a proper rack, for which either mechanical or hydraulic ramps should be used. Second, vehicle should be in off condition to avoid any accidents. Once these steps are followed, we need to remove all the parallel channels or body to ensure the installation for the proper access of the primary and secondary drive. Primary drive consists of two sprockets, one motor sprocket, another is the intermediate sprocket. Intermediate sprocket is further integrated with the secondary drive driving sprocket, and we have our third sprocket, which is the driven sprocket for secondary drive. This scooter has three bolts which are used for the adjusting the belt tension on primary drive. This bolt plays a key role, as we need to lose the belt tension before we remove the existing belt and use the same bolts while adjusting the tension on the primary drive. Torque the bolt and ensure the belt tension in the belt. To measure the belt tension, use Gates sonic tensiometer. Once the belt tension is measured on the drive, rotate the pulley in clockwise direction and repeat the belt tension measurement on 4 different spans. A vehicle can be bought to dealer for two cases, one for primary drive change or secondary drive change, or secondly where we have to replace both the belt on the vehicle. Once the vehicle is bought to dealer, a customer can request dealer to change either primary or secondary drive. If customer is requesting for changing the primary drive and secondary drive, the complete system need to be disturbed and replaced with the new parts. But if a customer is requesting only for replacement of secondary belt, we have to only replace the secondary drive, where we don't have to touch the primary belt, and it can be kept as it is. Once the belt is installed on secondary drive, adjust the belt tension with the help of the adjustment bolt, which is available on both sides of the rear wheel, and we need to rotate the adjuster bolt in clockwise direction and tight the belt tension till the desired belt tension is achieved. Check the belt tension with the help of sonic belt tension meter. This process need to be done at 4 different positions by rotating the wheel in anti-clockwise direction. Once the desired belt tension on the secondary drive is achieved, with this the installation of belt on electric scooter is completed. Please ensure we are reinstalling all the control panels and body covers which has been removed during the installation time. Once the body covers are installed back to the vehicle, we are good to go and vehicle is ready to ride. Thank you. For any queries related to belt installation or tension adjustment, please contact local Gates sales representative or distributors. With this, we have completed our installation video. Thank you.